Welcome to our detailed culinary guide on cooking Saudi Arabian Lahm Meshwi. Lamb meshwi, a popular dish in Saudi Arabian cuisine, is essentially grilled lamb that's known for its rich flavors and tender texture. It's a favorite at gatherings and special occasions. Let's start with the ingredients. You'll need lamb chops or lamb skewers, olive oil, lemon juice, garlic, and a blend of spices including cumin, coriander, paprika, cinnamon, salt, and black pepper. The quality of the lamb is crucial for the best results. Begin by preparing the marinade. In a bowl, mix olive oil, lemon juice, minced garlic, and the spices. This marinade not only adds flavor but also tenderizes the meat. Place the lamb in the marinade, ensuring each piece is well coated. Cover and let it marinate in the refrigerator for at least a few hours, preferably overnight. This allows the flavors to deeply infuse into the lamb. When you're ready to cook, preheat your grill to a medium-high heat. Remove the lamb from the marinade and grill it to your desired level of doneness. For lamb chops, a few minutes per side usually suffices for a medium-rare finish. If you're using skewers, turn them occasionally for even cooking. Once grilled, let the lamb rest for a few minutes before serving. This helps the juices redistribute, ensuring the meat is succulent and flavorful. Serve the lamb meshwi with sides like grilled vegetables, rice, or a fresh salad. It's often accompanied by sauces such as tahini or garlic yogurt sauce. Enjoy your homemade Saudi Arabian Lahm Meshwi, a dish that's sure to impress with its bold flavors and tender texture. It's a perfect way to experience the essence of Saudi Arabian cuisine.